The recteq RT-2500 BFG Pellet Grill offers an enormous cooking surface of over 2,500 square inches, making it ideal for feeding big families or hosting large backyard gatherings. Its heavy use of stainless steel and solid construction give the grill a substantial, durable feel that stands up well to frequent cooks and harsh weather. The pellet system delivers consistent wood smoke flavor while maintaining steady heat, so long cooks like brisket or pork shoulder come out tender and evenly done. Built-in Wi-Fi control through the recteq app lets you monitor temperatures and adjust settings from a distance, which is especially helpful during overnight or all-day smokes. Multiple cooking racks, dual meat probes, and a generously sized pellet hopper mean you can load up the grill, track internal temperatures accurately, and run long sessions without constant refilling. Beyond low and slow smoking, this grill reaches searing temperatures and handles baking or roasting with ease, so it can realistically replace a separate smoker, grill, and even an outdoor oven.